In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the file type on your Windows 11 computer. So if you have a file and you want to go and change the extension of that file, then what we need to do is first just go and locate that file. So I'm just going to open up my computer, and then in the left hand side, go and select the folder where your file's located. So this is likely going to be either in your desktop or your documents. And the file that I need to change the extension for is this video file here. So you can see right now, we can't actually see the extension of this file. So to go and actually see and change the extension, we need to click on the three horizontal dots in the top navigation, click on Options, and then in Folder Options, click on the View tab. And then right here where it says hide extensions for known file types, make sure this is unchecked like so. Go and press apply and then OK. And now as you can see, we can see this file extension, and all we simply need to do is go and rename the file. So I'm going to right click on it, click on the rename button, and I'm going to change this extension from an MP4 to an MP3, then go and press enter and just press yes. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.